Right. Today we are going to talk about Python strings. Python string. A Python string is a group of characters. Group of characters. A Python string is a group of characters. Otherwise, a sequence of characters. A sequence of characters. It's a group of characters. It's a sequence of characters, right? When you want to store your name, address, etc., even sometimes a number also can be given as string. In such cases, your data can be given in the form of a string. Once you give a string, that cannot be used for any arithmetical operators, for arithmetical operations, right? So arithmetical operations cannot be done on strings. Of course, a limited arithmetic can be done on strings, but not fully, right? So in Python, a string is a sequence of characters, we said. It is going to be stored like this. And one more is, a Python string can be stored as like this in double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes. A Python string can be enclosed in double quotes, single quotes or triple quotes. Even triple, the double triple also can be given like this, right? Once you store a string in Python, the string can be accessed by its positions, index positions. That is, if I want to get character by character, you can get them by means of its index positions. Suppose if you store cat, that cat is stored like this inside the memory, like this, C, A, T. This position is 0, this position is 1, this position is 2. If you want to get A, you can give S of 1. S of 1 gives you A. If you want to get this, it gives T. So this is known as the index or subscript. Index or subscript. Using subscripts, you are going to access character by character and you can have manipulations. Okay, stop.